Most people keep bandages and gauze in their first aid kit, but there's one product that often gets overlooked, and it can make a huge difference in healing: a hydrocolloid dressing. Hi, I'm Nurse Alyssa, a wound care specialist, and today I'm going to be explaining what a hydrocolloid roll is, how it works, and why it's one of the most useful items you can have on hand for everyday wounds. What is a hydrocolloid dressing? A hydrocolloid dressing is a flexible, self-adhesive wound dressing made with moisture-reactive materials. When it comes into contact with wound drainage, it forms a soft gel. This gel creates a protective, moist environment that supports the body's natural healing process. Hydrocolloids do not dry out the wound, and it's important because wounds heal faster with less scarring when they stay slightly moist and not dry. Why it's ideal for a first aid kit. A hydrocolloid roll is especially useful in a first aid kit for these main reasons. First, it promotes faster healing compared to traditional dry bandages. Second, it protects the wound from bacteria, dirt, friction, making it great for everyday life, work, sports, and even travel. Third, because it comes in a roll, you can cut it to the exact size that you need. That makes it more versatile than pre-cut bandages. Common wounds it can be used for. A hydrocolloid roll is appropriate for many minor to moderate wounds, including small cuts and scrapes, blisters from shoes or sports, minor burns once the skin's intact, skin tears, shallow pressure spots, post-procedural wounds like biopsy sites. It's especially helpful for wounds in areas that move a lot, like heels, elbows, knees, fingers, because it's flexible with the skin and stays in place. How it helps wounds heal. Hydrocolloid dressings support healing in several ways. They maintain a moist environment, which encourages cell migration and tissue repair. They reduce pain by covering exposed nerve endings. They protect against friction and shear. And they can stay in place for several days, which means less disruption to the healing wound tissue. Why a roll format is better than a standard bandage. Unlike standard adhesive bandages, a hydrocolloid roll allows you to cut custom shapes, cover awkward or large areas, reduce waste, and create a seal around the wound. This makes it ideal for both adults and children, and for unpredictable injuries where standard bandages just don't fit well. How to use a hydrocolloid roll properly. To use a hydrocolloid roll dressing safely, first clean the wound with saline or clean water. Then gently dry around the wound so the surrounding skin, as the bandage will not stick to wet skin. Secondly, cut the dressing so that it extends past the wound about 1 inch onto the peri-wound edges. Third, apply it to clean, dry skin and smooth it down without stretching the hydrocolloid. Once applied, leave it in place until it naturally loosens or becomes saturated. This could be several days, and that's normal. Just don't exceed the max wear time of 7 days. Important things to know. There are a few important points to remember. It's normal for a dressing to turn white or cloudy. This means it's absorbing drainage and doing its job. Hydrocolloids should not be used on infected wounds. If you notice increased redness, warmth, pain, odor, the dressing should be removed and the wound assessed. Why every household should have a hydrocolloid roll in their first aid kit. A hydrocolloid roll is one of those first aid items you don't realize you need until you really need it. It's compact, versatile, and easy to use, and supports better healing with less daily wound care. For families, athletes, travelers, and those who want to be prepared, it's a smart addition to any first aid kit. If you would like to purchase a hydrocolloid roll, please check out the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical wound care education. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to visit my website, thewoundconsultant.com, for all your wound care needs. Whether you're seeking professional wound care consultations, access to high-quality supplements, holistic healing, digital resources, informative books,
or high quality wound care supplies, we have everything to support you. Whether you're dealing with a wound or you're a healthcare professional, there's something for everyone. Visit today and take the next step in effective wound care.